So hello there. Well, here we are at the Arnprior Train Show. June the 2nd and 3rd, Arnprior, Ontario. So we've got lots of stuff. It's a good show. And this is one of the displays. This is a lot of cars and a G-gauge train layout. As you can see, it's really nice. Really nice cars. And great figurines to go along with the cars. Love the pink Cadillac. Elvis Presley's pink Cadillac. So there are a lot of people selling stuff. G-gauge, O-gauge, and tools, and toys, some portraits, actually pictures of trains. This guy does all his own photography and framing. Oh, we've got somebody demonstrating making, looks like HO or N-gauge displays. And over here we have an operating G-gauge layout. This is George Wellington and Steve McKenzie. I was operating on that last year. I may operate on it again tomorrow. But there's lots of stuff here. Here's a display of buses for sale. I bought two. Got some G-gauge cars for sale. That's good. And some O-gauge. So we've got everything here. And here's the G-gauge stuff. G-gauge is picking up. Not a bad price. $80, $75, $35, $80. I'm sure everybody's a little bit negotiable too. Everybody always is at one of these places. Well, there's a Lego train set running. 2 Lego train sets running. Yeah. Really nice. Are they battery operated or? Both, eh?
Yeah. So
there's power on the track?
Metal track, plastic track. So
oh, I see. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
That's quite interesting. Very nice. Run smooth, don't they?
Yeah, I think they have a certain amount of heft to them. So
they do, eh?
Put their weight down on the track.
That's good. I like the lighting over there too. They're really nice. Wow. I'm going to put this on my video channel.
Fair enough.
YouTube.
No problem.
Look at those lights.